In Italy, there is a substantial number of typical products linked to the territory of origin, to history and culture, but even to climate, the peculiarities of the places of production and manual skills. These typical products have often centuries of history behind them, like Parmigiano Reggiano, dating back to the 12th century. For others, like the Genoese basil, we can even refer to early AD, as it was already mentioned by Pliny the Elder. There are also cultural links. The salami of Cremona, whose native land is basically the River Po. Spices and salt for processing and preserving came in fact by river, consequently bringing a radical change of eating habits, a cultural change. There is a combination of the product, the unique and distinctive climatic conditions of some environments that enable to mature a speciality with features not otherwise found, as in the case of the peculiar maturation of Parma ham due to the sea breeze. From north to south, all along the country, it is not uncommon to find areas where the constant temperature and the right degree of humidity permit to mature food specialities. Caves, cellars, old mines where typical specialities are processed, the Ragusan cheese, Fontina d'Aosta, the Castelmagno, or delectable salami like Culatello. The manual work, handed down from generation to generation, is another undisputed component that binds a typical production to its place of origin. Just think of the skills in the use of butcher's knife, or the dairyman that spins buffalo mozzarella. Moreover, there's a link between the food product and another product of the territory useful for its realization. Lardo di Colonnata, for instance, is made today as it was once. It is still processed in the basins, large marble containers produced in the quarries of the area. Many local products represent a reason for aggregation, a sort of binding force from a social point of view. Feasts, festivals, fairs. Others, like the products of the mountain, are essential to guarantee the human presence in certain areas. Presence meaning environmental protection.